This is an online retailer who is banding multi-size and multi-shape products before placing the product on a central conveyor that will feed an Autobox system. There are 10 total banding machines on this layout, 5 on each side, where operators pick product and unitize them together before placing them on the conveyor. The US 2000 banding machines have one setup for all the different sizes of products when the operator places them into the machine. This is possible due to the ultrasonic sealing and digital controls on the US 2000. You can see how the bundles are being transferred from each of the in-feed conveyors and within the Autobox system. Banding is critical because typically the bundle dimensions are scanned and the box is being custom made to the scan. If the product shifts and is larger than the original dimensions, this could jam the Autobox system. The US 2000 also provides a variety of banding materials you can use, like paper, clear plastic, and ribbon. We do offer clear plastic material that you can scan barcodes through if scanning is required after banding. If you would like to band your product or your customer's product with having a repeat printed banding material like in the picture, you can do this with the standard machines and setup. All you have to do is change the roll of banding material.